These delicious desserts come in several different flavors, and there are many different ways you can make them. Though many people may associate cream pies with the act of pieing someone, these tasty pies are much more than that. Pieing is often used in comedic skits or in charity events, as a person smothers another face with a pie. What is a cream pie? A cream pie is a sweet type of pie that contains a delicious custard or pudding filling. They can be tricky to make, as there are often several steps you have to follow when making them. However, their deliciously rich and creamy filling is worth the hard work. They are typically cooked on a stovetop versus baked in the oven. The pudding filling is generally made from a base of milk, cream, eggs, flour, and sugar. The custard filling is generally made up of milk or cream that is combined with egg yolks, sugar, and a thickening agent such as cornstarch, flour, or gelatin. Cream pies are one-crust pies. This means that the bottom and sides of the pie have a crust, but the top does not. Cream pies are typically made with a short crust pastry, sweet pie crust, or a graham cracker crust. Crusts made from cookies are also a popular choice for cream pies. Origins of cream pies. Though the history of cream pies isn't totally clear, many believe they got their origins in Germany and America. Some of the oldest cream pies, such as sugar cream pie and lemon meringue pie, were developed in the 1800s in Pennsylvania. It is believed that many cream pies, such as chocolate cream pie, became popular in the Midwest region of America in the 1800s. Best types of cream pies. Most cream pies are also decorated with a whipped cream topping or a meringue. They are often made with fruit, chocolate, or vanilla. Some of the most popular cream pies are chocolate cream pie, banana cream pie, key lime pie, and lemon meringue pie. Though many people know and love Boston cream pie, it is actually a cake and not a pie. Though it contains custard like cream pies do, the custard is generally sandwiched between two layers of sponge cake which are covered in a chocolate glaze. Chocolate cream pie. Chocolate cream pies are one of the most loved types of cream pie. They are made from a rich, creamy chocolate pudding filling. This silky smooth chocolate treat is often topped with whipped cream. Banana cream pie. Banana cream pie is a popular choice among fruit lovers. By the 1900s, banana cream pies had become a favorite dessert for many. Its creamy custard base is combined with fresh bananas and topped with smooth whipped cream. Key lime pie. The combination of creamy custard filling and the sharp flavor of lime come together to create an American classic. Key lime pie is often topped with meringue or whipped cream. Today it has become a staple in the Florida Keys, as it can be found all over there. Lemon meringue pie. Another American classic, lemon meringue pie, got its start in Philadelphia in the 19th century. Lemon meringue pie consists of a creamy lemon custard piled high with fluffy meringue. It's a perfect combination of sweet and tart that will leave your taste buds happy. The perfect dessert. With so many types of cream pies out there, you are sure to find several that you will love. Topped with fresh whipped cream or fluffy meringue, cream pies are a hit for any occasion. No matter what type of cream pie you make, you are sure to love how it tastes. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.